There's a global race happening right now, and it's not for land or resources, it's for the future itself, and it's powered by AI. So why the mad dash? Why is every major nation scrambling for an edge? Well, AI is projected to create nearly 60 million new jobs globally. That's more than the entire population of Italy. So the question isn't if you should compete, it's how.
And some are competing with just massive amounts of cash. Take China. They're aiming to be the world leader by 2030.
Then you've got countries like Germany making strategic investments to try and close the gap with the giants in the US and China.
And then some are competing with pure political will. The UAE, for example, literally created a minister for AI. That was a world first. Amidst all these giants, how does a developing nation even begin to carve out its own space in this new industrial revolution?
Well, for Pakistan, it all starts with a single, clear national strategy.
This is the official goal, right from their Vision 2025 plan. It's a pretty bold statement, and it came with a deadline.
And they're putting money behind it. This was the initial seed funding, over 1 billion rupees, which works out to about 6 million US dollars, all aimed at one specific objective. So what do you do with that money? You build an engine. And that's exactly what this is. The National Center of Artificial Intelligence is designed to be the central hub, powering research and innovation for the whole country.
Okay, but you can have the vision, you can have the funding, you can have the hub. That's just infrastructure. A plan like this needs people to actually build it.
So who's going to do the work? The bet is on their own people. The focus is on training a brand new generation of AI specialists from the ground up.
And look, this isn't just some intro to AI course. They're diving deep into the stuff that actually matters right now. We're talking reinforcement learning, the brains behind autonomous systems, computational creativity, which is what drives generative AI, and of course, deep learning. This is all about producing specialists who are ready to hit the ground running.
So, the talent pipeline is getting built. But does all this academic work actually translate into real-world business results? Does it make a difference? Well, yeah, the impact is already showing up. You've got companies using AI to slash hospital wait times by 30%. In e-commerce, it's boosting product views by 70%. And this is happening inside a really vibrant tech ecosystem of over 25,000 registered IT companies.
But it's one thing to write code. It's another thing entirely to make something that moves in the real world. That's the real test, right? When the revolution actually takes physical form. And that's what the national labs are building.
It looks like real, tangible solutions for some of the country's biggest sectors: defense, agriculture, and healthcare.
For starters, it looks like this: an unmanned ground vehicle, built in country, designed for surveillance and to keep people safe in hazardous environments. It also looks like smart drones for farming. We're talking precision agriculture that can cut water usage by 80% during crop spraying. That's a huge deal. And then there's this: a myoelectric bionic hand. This is incredible stuff. It gives amputees multiple grip patterns, restoring a real sense of independence.
And it even looks like these 3D printed custom orthotics. It's a perfect example of how AI can bring personalized healthcare to a massive scale.
Look, all of this is just the beginning. It's the seed planted by national strategy. The real question is, what happens when a nation of over 200 million people truly enters the AI race?